A lot of times, clients will ask me, what's the difference between going to court, going to mediation, or doing arbitration? And court happens as soon as you file a case, but sometimes you'll also be sent to mediation or sent to arbitration. So a lot of times there's intersection, but those can happen without going to court. So it is a confusing thing and something that your attorney can definitely help you with. Mediation is where you sit in a room with the other parties and you attempt to come to a resolution of the case. There's a mediator that goes back and forth between the parties and attempts to broker a settlement. There's no decision the mediator's making, and a good mediator will a lot of times play the devil's advocate and make you realize some of the pros and some of the cons of your position in the case. And arbitration is similar to a trial. However, the difference is that the decision maker, while still a neutral, is a lot of times an attorney. And these help a lot of times when the case is very complicated or is in a very niche area of the law, where you have an attorney that also practices and is knowledgeable in that area of the law or in that specific industry, to make sure that they really know what's going on and kind of what the standards are. And you can have binding arbitration where the decision of the arbitrator is binding upon you and you have to follow it, or non-binding arbitration where it's just a suggestion and sometimes will help to facilitate a settlement. Court or trial is exactly what you think it is and you see it is on TV. However, it's not confined to just the trial. Going to court is a very long process that includes the pleading stage, filing your complaint, potentially some motion practice against the complaint, answering the complaint. Sometimes the other parties will also file a counterclaim, or you can have some third-party claims against other persons who aren't involved but may also be liable or involved in the subject matter of the complaint. You'll go through discovery, which includes depositions, document production, interrogatories, answering questions under oath that are written, and then you'll go to trial, which is a lot different than what you see on TV and is not as fun or surprising as it looks on TV. A lot of times you know what's going to be said, and either the jury or the judge, whoever the fact finder is listening to the case to make a decision based on the law.